Even though sidelined by COVID-19, the UH men's basketball team still has high hopes for a chance back on the championship court.
As Matthew Vasconcellos reports, the Rainbow Warriors are in rebuilding mode and gearing up for another shot at a Big West Conference title.
In 2016, the Rainbow Warrior men's basketball team was riding high with a 28-6 winning overall record, claiming its first championship in the Big West. Fast forward to 2021, when the Bows finished with a slim winning margin of 11-10. Head coach Eran Ganat attributes their loss of momentum from losing top players such as Justin Hemsley and Justin Webster at season's end, and also not being able to tip off during the 2020 tournament due to COVID game cancellations.
I appreciate what this group has been kind of going through, but I still have this belief and faith that how many we have, we can still find a way to get it done.
Although it's been 5 years since the Rainbow Warriors won a tournament game and the tournament itself, they're not giving up anytime soon. Senior standout Samuta Avea chose to opt out of the 2021 season. However, Coach Ganat remains confident Avea will return for 2022.
He explained his decision, we supported his decision, and all he would say was that he was looking forward to returning.
The Bows finished 6th in the Big West this year and an even 9-9 season. With the return of key players, the Bows are now looking to take their game even higher in 2022. For UHMTV, I'm Matthew Vasconcellos.
Matthew, how is the roster shaping up for 2022?
As of now, there are 3 players transferring and 1 is going pro, but at least 1 promising star is expected to return. Hot hand sophomore forward Bernardo da Silva. So hopefully, that could be part of the recipe for a winning season. Go Bows!
Thanks, Matthew, and thank you for joining us for this 24th edition of UHMTV.